everyone, welcome to IAS Dashana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is IOL signs collaboration agreement with Safran to manufacture two high precision combat proven systems in India. In a major milestone in the Make in India program envisioned by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, India Optel Limited, a mini Navratna defense public sector undertaking, has signed a collaboration agreement with Safran Electronics and Defense for transfer of production of two high precision combat prone systems, paving the way for their local manufacturing. The systems are Sigma 30 and digital ring laser gyro, inertial navigation system used in artillery, guns, air defense systems, missiles and radars, and CM3MR direct firing sight designed for artillery, guns and anti-drone systems. The agreement was signed by CMD IOL Shri Tushar Tripathi and Head of the Defense Global Business Unit for Safran Electronics and Defense Mr. Alexandre Ziegler in the presence of Secretary Shri Sanjeev Kumar in New Delhi on December 22, 2025. Building on the MOU signed in January 2024, this new agreement confirms the commitment of both the partners to manufacture and support these advanced systems in India. Under the partnership, IOL will be responsible for manufacturing, final assembly, testing, quality control, and full life cycle support, ensuring the systems meet the operational needs of the Indian Army. By combining IOL's industrial capabilities in India with Safran Electronics and Defense recognized expertise in high-end inertial navigation and fire control technologies, the partnership contributes to strengthening India's defense manufacturing ecosystem while enhancing the readiness and performance of its land forces. So the next topic for the day is DRDO and RRU link MOU to foster collaboration in research, education, training and technology support for defense and internal security. Defense Research and Development Organization, which is DRDO, and Rashtriya Raksha University, which is RRU, have signed a Memorandum of Understanding, which is MOU, to foster collaboration in the areas of research, education, training, and technology support for defense and internal security. The MOU is inked by distinguished scientist and Director General Dr. Chandrika Kaushik and Vice Chancellor RRU Professor Bimal N. Patil in the presence of Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh at South Block, New Delhi on December 22, 2025. Secretary, Department of Defense R&D and Chairman DRDO Dr. Samir V. Kamath was also present on the occasion. The MOU aims to strengthen India's self-reliance in defense and internal security. Technologies in line with the national vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and the whole of nation approach during Amrit Kal. It reflects a shared commitment to integrating technology, knowledge and operational insight to enhance national security preparedness and reinforce India's strategic autonomy in internal security. Rashtriya Raksha University, an institution of national importance under the Ministry of Home Affairs and the University Grants Commission, which is UGC, designated Nodal Center for Defense Studies, brings strong academic training and policy expertise in the domain of internal security. DRDO, the nation's premier defense R&D organization, contributes cutting-edge indigenous technologies and system-level expertise to meet the requirements of the armed forces and security agencies. Under the MOU, both organizations will collaborate on joint research projects, PhD and fellowship programs, and specialized training and capacity building programs for security forces. The collaboration will also include studies on emerging operational challenges, technology gap analysis, forecasting of future requirements, and life cycle management of DRDO developed systems inducted into the Central Armed Police Forces and other agencies under the Ministry of Home Affairs. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.